double click on the image, hold down Shift on your keyboard, and drag on the corners sideways, and do the same for the inner corners to stretch out the image. So you can keep doing this until you stretched out the entire image. And so now I've stretched the image to fit the entire page, and I can double click on it again, hold down Shift, and I can even shrink the image to make it narrower. So I can stretch or make the image narrower depending on my own preference. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.